Welcome in ASWINI classes polynomial part 6. In this part we solve few more problems based on polynomials. So let us see what are those problems. First of all, one result I want to discuss one more results related to your quadratic polynomial. Let fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial. Obviously it is a quadratic polynomial because it is a polynomial of degree 2. If you write equal to 0, it becomes an equation. Now it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so since it is a quadratic equation, its degree is 2. So this equation will have two roots. Let one root is alpha and another root is beta are the roots. If alpha and beta are the roots, what will be their sum? Minus coefficient of second term by coefficient of first term. We read in the previous video. And sum of the product of 2. So here two roots are there, so this will be simply product of roots. It will be minus 1 to the power, it is second degree polynomial, so minus 1 to the power 2 constant term by coefficient of first term is the result. In this way we can write sum product. So minus 1 square is plus, so it will be simply c by a. So if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation and alpha beta are its roots, then sum of roots is minus b by a and product of roots is coming c by a. Okay, now ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is our quadratic equation. In this equation you take a common, a take common. What will happen here? A common, then a will come outside, x square left. Here a is not there, then what will be? b by a. ऐसे b है, इसमें a से मल्टीप्लाई, a से डिवाइड, दिस a is कॉमन तो बचेगा b by a. Similarly here c by a equal to 0. I think you have understand. इसको a से मल्टीप्लाई, a से डिवाइड, a बाहर हो गया तो a डिवाइड हो जाएगा, c by a बचेगा. या सिंपली यहाँ a नहीं है तो a कॉमन लेंगे तो a से डिवाइड होगा, यहाँ a नहीं है, a कॉमन लिए तो a से डिवाइड होगा. इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कीजिएगा तो ए एक्स स्क्वायर बी एक्स प्लस सी आ जाएगा. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस बी बाई ए एक्स प्लस सी बाई ए. कैन यू राइट? इसमें प्लस था, उसको माइनस ब्रैकेट में कर लिए माइनस बी बाई ए. क्यों किया ऐसा? What is the need to do this? ये देखिए माइनस बी बाई ए, माइनस बी बाई ए कैन बी रिटन एज अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स एंड सी बाई ए कैन बी रिटन एज. So we are getting a will go to that side and becomes 0. X square minus what is it? Sum of roots into x plus what is this? Product of roots equal to 0. A quadratic equation can be written as x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. A quadratic equation can be written in term of the sum and product of roots. So by using this, if roots are given, you can write the equation. रूट दिया हुआ तो सम ऑफ रूट्स निकल जाएगा, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स निकल जाएगा, तो इक्वेशन लिख लेंगे. So this result shows how to write a quadratic equation if its roots are given. Let us see an example. Write the quadratic equation if sum and product of its roots are 1/4 and -1. This is a question. Write the quadratic equation if sum and product of its roots are 1/4 and -1. You have to write an equation, quadratic equation. Sum of its roots is given 1/4 and product of its roots is given -1. Okay, so you have to write the equation clearly. What will be equation? Equation is x square minus sum of roots. X square minus sum of roots. Sum of roots is given 1/4 into x plus product of roots. Product of root is given. So this will be the equation. If sum of roots is given 1/4 and product of root is -1. If sum product not given, roots are given, then you can find the sum by adding, you can find the product by multiplying, then you can write the equation by using this x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Or you can simplify it as 4x square minus, what will be LCM 4, so it is x minus 4 equal to 0, you can write. So I hope you have understand this problem. Now let us see more problems. This type of questions are given in the book. Let us see one more problems. If there is another example, if product of roots of the equation fx equal to ax cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0 है ना. If the product of roots of the equation this is 4, इसका रूट्स का प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ 4. क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड ए. तो आपको ए निकालना है. ए मतलब ए एक्स क्यूब के आगे जो कोफिशिएंट है, दिस कोफिशिएंट यू हैव टू फाइंड. ओके, this is a cubic polynomial, so it will have 3 roots. Cubic polynomial, then obviously there will be 3 roots. Let the roots are alpha, beta and gamma. These are the 3 roots. So what will be product of roots? Alpha into beta into gamma, minus 1 to the power n. N is here 3. constant term is here minus 6 by coefficient of first term. You must understand constant term means not 6, it is minus 6. Let's see. Whenever we write a general cubic equation, we write in this way: ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Here it is ax cube minus 6x square, so it can be written like this, plus 11x plus minus 6 equal to 0. In this way we write it. So here a is a, b is minus 6, c is 11 and d constant term is minus 6 with sign language. So minus 1 cube is minus, so minus minus plus 6 by a is the product of roots, and in the question it is given product of roots is 4 दिया हुआ क्वेश्चन में, product is 4. So what will happen? 4a equal to 6, so a equal to 3 by 2. Question was find a. So I think you have understand the problem. Now let us see one more most important problem based on polynomial. Problem is obtain all zeros. Obtain all zeros of the equation. What is the equation? Fx equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of its roots are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. This is what is your question. This type of questions are there in your textbook. This is also there. A number of similar problems are there in the textbook. Obtain all the zeros of the polynomial fx equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. It's all the roots you have to calculate. It is a 4th degree polynomial. Highest power of the variable is x, so its degree is 4. So this equation will have 4 roots. Degree 4, so there will be 4 roots, but out of 4, 2 of its roots are given. One root is root 5 by 3, another is minus root 5 by 3. Out of 4, 2 are given, remaining 2 you have to calculate. Okay. You must know, if fx is a polynomial, fx equal to 0 is a polynomial equation, and if a is root, a is its root, then fa will gives you 0. If a is root, then in place of x if we write a, then it will gives you the value 0. Also if fa 0, if fa is 0 for a polynomial fx, then x minus a is a factor of fx. This we have read in our factor and remainder theorem. Fa is coming 0, then x minus a will be a factor, means x minus a will divide the polynomial fx completely. Okay, so here this is a root, here x minus root 5 by 3 will be a factor. This is a. One thing more you can write. Here this is a root, this is also a root. So you can write here, in place of x, if you write root 5 by 3, it will gives you value 0. And if you write minus root 5 by 3 in place of x, then also its value will come 0, because it is given these two are roots. And if fa equal to 0, this is your a, then x minus a, so here it is x minus root 5 by 3 is a factor of fx, and x minus, this is a here, x minus minus root 5 by 3 minus minus plus this are factor of fx. Okay, this is a factor of fx, this is also a factor of fx. So let us find their product, x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. Whatever come this product, that product will also divide fx completely. If x minus, this is a factor, this is a factor, so their product will also divide fx completely. तो दोनों का product लेंगे. What will be the product? It is of the type a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, root 5 by 3 square, root will be removed. This is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Or you can take 1 by 3 as common within bracket, x square, or in this way you take LCM 3, it is 3x square minus 5. Okay, so this, therefore you can write it 1 by 3, 3x square minus 5 divide fx completely. Divides completely. And if this divides fx completely, then if you remove this constant, 3x square minus 5 will also divides fx completely. ये अगर डिवाइड करता है ना इस पोलिनोमियल fx को, तो ये कांस्टेंट हटा दीजिएगा, तो ये जो पार्ट बचेगा ये भी डिवाइड करेगा उसको कंप्लीटली. ठीक है, सो x स्क्वायर माइनस 5 will divides the polynomial fx completely. So this will be a factor of this polynomial. इस polynomial को ये डिवाइड करेगा, मतलब ये फैक्टर होगा इसका. तो एक फैक्टर हुआ ये. What will be the other factor? That we calculate by dividing this polynomial by this. अब इससे इस polynomial को डिवाइड करेंगे, completely डिवाइड करेगा, means remainder will come 0. Whatever come in the quotient, that will be the second factor. जैसे fx polynomial है, and if x minus a its factor, then if we divide, remainder comes 0, and whatever come in this side quotient, that quotient into x minus a plus 0 will gives you this. So here it is 0, so this into this will gives you this middle one. Start it. So that property we use here. We divide the given polynomial by this. Whatever come as a quotient, that quotient into this will be this polynomial. It means that quotient will be a factor. Let us see. Now what will you do is we divide this 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 डेटा ठीक है तो 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Yes, now we divide this by this 3x square minus 5. This will divide its completely, mean remainder will come 0. You have to find quotient. What will come quotient? Let us find the quotient now by dividing. Here first term is 3x to the power 4. Here first term is 3x square. So how it will become 3x to the power 4? You take x square, so that 3x square and x square will be 3x to the power 4. But this x square will multiply with this minus 5 also. So this become minus 5x square. Okay. So minus 5x square it is. Okay. So this minus 5x square we write under this x square term. Similar terms should be written together. X square into 3x square, 3x to the power 4 under this x to the power 4 terms, and this x square will multiply with this minus 5 also. So minus 5x square, that we will write under this x square term. And now subtracting, this will be minus, this minus will become plus, and now adding, this part will cancel. This we write 6x cube minus 2x square, now it become plus 5x square. So plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. This will be your remainder. Now we divide this once again by this. Here it is 6x cube, here 3x square. So what is required? 2x. 2x, then 2x into 3x square will be 6x cube. We have to take in such a way, product of this and this should come this first term. 2x into 3x square, 6x cube. Now 2x into minus 5. So minus 5x. So we write minus 5x here. 2x into minus 5. Minus 5x we write under the term containing x. x वाले term के नीचे लिखेंगे. Now subtracting. This become minus, this minus will become plus. After changing the sign, we add 3x square. This is minus 10x plus 5x. So minus 5x, and this will come. Here it is 3x square. Here it is 3x square. Same. So here it will be plus 1. 1 into 3x square. And 1 into this minus 5 will be your minus 5. Okay. So there will be some 10x. What is anywhere mistake is coming? See here. In the second term, we taken 2x. 2x into 3x square, 6x cube. Now 2x into this minus 5, what will be? 2x into minus 5 minus 10x. this will be minus 10x. Understood? Because remainder should come 0, is not it? So 2x into minus 5 minus 10x. Now subtracting, this will be plus. So this is cancel. ये the minus 10x plus 10x will cancel then. इसको ठीक कर लीजिए थोड़ा. So what will left? 3x square. ये minus 10x plus 10x cancel. ये बचेगा. रिमाइंडर 0 आना है ना, क्योंकि ये डिवाइड करेगा इसको कंप्लीटली, पूरा कट नहीं रहा था, इसका मतलब कहीं मिस्टेक है. नाउ 3x स्क्वायर, हियर आल्सो 3x स्क्वायर, सो प्लस 1 into 3x square, 3x square, 1 into this minus 5. Now subtracting, ये 0 आना था. Okay, therefore fx means you know this complete, this is your fx, ये है fx. This can be written as this into this, not it. This can be written as 3x square minus 5, it is one factor, and another factor will be x square plus 2x plus 1, this equal to 0. This equation, this polynomial can be written as like this. Obtained all the zeros of the equation written, then you can write here equal to 0. Here it is, equation means equal to 0 if 2 of its roots are this, है ना, equal to 0 it will be. So this equal to 0. So this equal to 0, then once we write this equal to 0, then this equal to 0. When we take 3x square minus 5 equal to 0, so from here x square equal to 5 by 3, x will come plus minus root 5 by 3. These plus minus root 5 by 3. So these are these two roots. ये तो दिया हुआ था क्वेश्चन में. What will be the other roots? Other roots will be calculated by taking this equal to 0. अब इसको 0 लेंगे और वहां से other roots निकालेंगे. ठीक है? So and when this part x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, then what will be x? You factorize it and got the solution. X square and 1 product will be, ये x square और 1 का product होगा x square. मिडिल टर्म 2x है, इसको लिख लीजिए x प्लस x, तो प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू टर्म वी टेक x कॉमन, देन x प्लस 1, एंड हियर वी टेक 1 कॉमन, देन दिस विल गिव्स यू विद इन ब्रैकेट सेम x प्लस 1, एंड नाउ वी कैन टेक x प्लस 1 एज कॉमन, विद इन ब्रैकेट इट विल ऑल्सो कम x प्लस 1. Therefore this equal to 0 here only, right? Therefore x equal to, when we take this equal to 0, x will come minus 1, and we take this equal to 0, then also x will come minus 1. So same value will come, x equal to minus 1. So therefore the other root, there will be only one other root. ये यहाँ से एक आएगा -1, यहाँ से भी आएगा -1. तो other root obtained all zeros of the equation. अच्छा, all zeros of the equation. Other root is 1, so you can write all zeros asked therefore all जीरोज आर, क्या क्या होगा, एक है प्लस √5/3, one is minus √5/3, and third one is -1. If it is asked what is the other root other than this, then -1, and it is written obtain all the zeros, तो एक ये है, एक ये है, और एक आ गया और -1. तो these are the 3 zeros of this. तो ये तो 4th डिग्री था, तो 4th डिग्री का 3 आया, और एक कहाँ गया, तो 3 आया ना, तो बाकी दो जो है वो सेम हो गया, दोनों रूट -1 हुआ, यहाँ से एक -1, यहाँ से एक -1, तो ऑल द रिमेनिंग 2 रूट्स आर -1 ईच, दोनों सेम भी तो हो सकता है रूट्स ना. सो देयर विल बी 3 डिफरेंट रूट, one is √5/3, another is -√5/3, and third one is -1. So in this way we have got the zeros of this quadratic 4th degree polynomial. 1 2 बाकी दोनों रूट्स जो है -1 होगा इसमें, ठीक है. So this much for class 10 polynomials. Similar number of problems are there in your book, so those you can try by your own. Next we see quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is also a chapter in class 10 which is related to polynomial. So we first read that, then we go for any other. Thank you for watching.